Welcome to another show. I'm Sid and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is @IamLazyCat. Check out her profile on Instagram and be sure to save their filters to your favourites. The first thing that stands out to me is how many filters are actually on this page. Like seriously, it's a lot. This person's obviously motivated to create and has managed to publish dozens of effects that vary widely in terms of design and function, while at the same time maintaining a consistent aesthetic. Pink is the most prominent colour alongside a range of pastel tones that really help unify everything under a common house style. There are particle effects combined with 3D objects and face-tracked assets that, while relatively simple, are extremely well designed and put together in a very professional way. Some textures like the Hello Kitty icon are recycled for different filters, but don't feel overused throughout the significant catalogue of work. Some of the more complex and unique effects include one that mimics a kaleidoscope and another incorporating the MS Paint layout with line-drawn facial features. There's a lot of cool stuff here, so be sure to follow IamLazyCat on Instagram and subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is etc. Check out his profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. I'd describe this profile as an expression of the pop art style, with relatively simple techniques executed in a highly visual manner using bright colours and assets which make reference to modern culture. There are less obvious examples like the clown makeup or flashing lights face mask, and more overt effects like those conveying demonic chic or just straight up art pop. There's a Pokemon filter that tracks 3D models of Mew and Mewtwo onto the face, and another that combines a unicorn horn with a glossy face mesh. Then there are effects which take inspiration directly from well-known brands like Milka and Nesquik. My favourites though are what I'd categorise as collage effects, melding different elements to create extremely vivid face masks and adding face-tracked elements such as clouds, unicorns, or even metallic hands for a result that comes across like an exaggeration of typical beauty filters mixed with classic Barbie and Lady Gaga at any award show. Go follow etc. on Instagram and subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is Kim Fiala. Check out his profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. This account is amazing, like literally. There are so many high quality 3D models with face tracking and world effects. It's incredible. I don't really know what else to say. It speaks for itself just looking at it. There's frogs, there's penguins, there's pigeons, there's this thing from the movie Big. Like, that's amazing. This robot that walks around. There's a lot of these type of filters where you have a 3D model interacting in the real world, but stuff like that where it's a frog or a bug crawling on your face is awesome. This one reminds me of Bill and Ted, you know, with like the phone box coming out. We need a Rufus in there. But yeah, the actual animations themselves are so high quality. It's totally worth checking out for yourself. Be sure to follow Kim Fiala on Instagram and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is maz.bruh. Check out their profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. What I like most about this account is the way face tracking has been used in combination with 3D models to create unique effects that you wouldn't see anywhere else. Want to see your face on a dancing roll of film? I got you covered. How about a package of noodles? No problem. You see what I mean? Like, I wouldn't make filters like this, but that's because I wouldn't think of making filters like this. It's really cool, and most of the filters involve some form of face tracking, but they all do it in such different ways, like this for example, or this, where an entire scene has been built and you get to experience it as a part of that scene. There are some other types of filters on here like alpha masks or borders, but I do feel like this guy's found his niche and he's really excelling. If you like what you see, go follow maz.bruh on Instagram and be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is Vera DG Official. Check out her profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. A quick scroll through this account reveals a lot about the creator. This person's obviously a conceptual artist creating sculptures in real life and now expanding that into AR using digital technologies to reach a much broader audience. While some of these filters may seem a little bit out there when you first look at them, there are obvious influences from traditional architecture and design that, when combined with some of the effect styles in Spark AR, lead to some often surreal but ultimately very satisfying works of art. It wouldn't surprise me if this person was already fairly adept at 3D design, and some of the visual elements remind me of things you're able to create in programs like Tilt Brush, for example. I'd recommend using these filters in an open area where you can scale them up and really get a sense of the details. Follow Vera DG Official on Instagram and be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid and these are my favorite filters. Today's featured creator is Gigewell. Check out his profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favorites. Like a lava lamp meets an acid trip, this profile is pretty crazy. There's a lot going on color wise, with some interesting shapes and patterns moving across the face and the background. Everything you see is extremely well designed and crafted in a way that makes each filter stand out as its own unique piece. What strikes me is the way textures have been used to take what would otherwise be a fairly ordinary filter and turn it into something you might see in a music video. Basic shapes have been colorized and stretched out or animated, and honestly it wouldn't surprise me to find out that there was some coding involved or even shader creation using Spark SL, not just utilizing the patch editor that comes pre-built in Spark. This guy is seriously talented, and not quite knowing how all the pieces fit together has inspired me to keep learning and experiment with my own filters. If you like what you see, go follow him on Instagram and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid and these are my favorite filters. Today's featured creator is Harun Katrak. Check out his profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favorites. I really enjoy the variety of content you can find on this account. You can tell the creator isn't taking himself too seriously, although there is some serious talent behind what he's making, so it kind of meshes together well and leads to some pretty interesting effects. I like the Yu-Gi-Oh meme, that's pretty solid. There's two of those actually, as well as tracking filters and some interesting animated designs for face meshes. There are some funny filters like this shut up one here, as well as some highbrow art like banana on face, but overall the content is playful and just generally fun to mess around with. I'm a fan of anyone who'll cut their eyes out and stick them to an inanimate object, or track their face to a shrinking head. From my experience, when you enjoy making filters, it shows in the final product. And that's absolutely true in this case. If you like what you see, go follow Harun on Instagram and be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid and these are my favorite filters. Today's featured creator is Omega C. Check out his profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favorites. Impressive is not the word. When I first saw this guy's profile, my mind was absolutely blown away. Did you just see that liquid sim? It's phenomenal. This guy is on another level. Like, there's a black hole effect. Look at this, it's beautiful. I could try and describe the technicals of what's happening here, but honestly, I don't really understand it myself. All I know for sure is that there's a hell of a lot more going on outside of Spark AR than inside of the patch editor. Probably using modeling software. Oh yeah, and this one's great. It makes you look like some kind of cell under a microscope. The simulations here are off the charts. Physics, light, liquids. It's incredible. What even is that? If you're looking to spend an hour of your day being totally mesmerized by some of the awesome filters on this page, I can't recommend Omega C enough. Go follow him on Instagram and be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid and these are my favorite filters. Today's featured creator is Natasha Gubanov. Check out her profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favorites. You know when someone's aesthetic is just so on point that you can't help but be in awe of them? Well, that's essentially what's happening here, right now, with me. I am in total awe. There aren't too many filters on this account, maybe 5 or 6 if I remember rightly, but sometimes less is more. There's a consistent pastel theme throughout, and a very distinct pop art style that's reminiscent of Andy Warhol or even Roy Lichtenstein with his dot paintings. There are abstract patterns and geometric shapes combining the front and rear facing cameras to great effect. There are even animations using repeating patterns that I'd guess were made with SDF patches in Spark AR, and a vibe that would absolutely play well in any 1960s music video. If you like this profile, be sure to check out Natasha Gubanov on Instagram, follow her, share some of her filters, and be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid, and these are my favorite filters. Today's featured creator is Kanye Sway. Check out her profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favorites. You'll find a lot of interesting effects on this account, mostly playing around with color and light manipulation, but also including 3D elements and render paths that produce filters far more complex than the sum of their parts. I get the sense that a lot of the visual inspiration comes from music videos and movies, and I really like the way animation has been layered in to create additional functionality for the end user. There are some simple effects with a fairly surreal aesthetic, but also far more complex 3D modeling setups that likely involve some back-end scripting elements. While you won't find any consistent theme browsing through this profile, for some reason I'm reminded of the movie Speed Racer, and if you enjoy the visual craziness of that film, then I have a feeling you'll like this account as well. Go follow Kanye Sway on Instagram and be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.